Stop! Before you run out of storage again, it's time to level up with a network-attached storage NAS device. Whether you're drowning in high-res photos, 4K videos, or business data, a NAS keeps everything secure, accessible, and under your control, without paying for cloud subscriptions. In today's video, we're counting down the 8 best NAS devices of 2025 tested for speed, reliability, and top-tier features. From budget-friendly picks to power-packed monsters built for professionals, we've got something for everyone. And trust us, our number one pick is an absolute game changer. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert reviews. And if you're ready to grab one of these NAS devices, check the links in the description for the best deals. Let's get started. Blast off. Starting off our list is the QNAP 233, a budget-friendly yet powerful NAS designed for home users who want secure storage without monthly cloud fees. Housed in a sleek white enclosure, this 2-bay NAS packs a quad-core CPU and hot-swappable drives, making it an easy-to-use and efficient storage solution. It supports one-touch backups, so you can quickly secure important files from your PC or external drives. In our tests, file transfer speeds were surprisingly solid for the price, and QNAP's user-friendly QTS operating system makes managing files and installing apps a breeze. However, it lacks multi-gig LAN ports and HDMI video output, so power users may want to look at higher-end options. But if you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-manage NAS, the QNAP TS233 is a fantastic entry-level choice. Next up, we have the Latticework Amber X, a portable AI-powered NAS that takes your personal cloud storage to the next level. What makes the Amber X stand out is its built-in AI facial recognition, which automatically organizes your photo library, a dream for anyone drowning in pictures. At just 0.6 pounds, it's small enough to take anywhere, making it one of the most portable NAS devices available. While its 512GB SSD storage is limited, you can expand it easily via USB. Plus, it supports TV casting and media streaming, letting you play your favorite content directly on your TV without hassle. If you're someone who needs a compact, personal NAS with smart features, the Amber X is a fantastic pick. Just keep in mind that power users may need more storage. Now let's talk about speed and power. The Asustor FlashStore FS6706T is one of the fastest consumer NAS devices available. Unlike traditional NAS devices that rely on platter-based hard drives, this 6-bay monster uses M.2 NVMe SSDs for blazing fast performance. If you're into high-speed file transfers, media streaming, or video editing, this device is a game-changer. However, to fully take advantage of its speed, you'll need a multi-gig network setup. So if you're still using older networking gear, you won't see its full potential. Plus, fully populating this NAS with 6 4TB NVMe SSDs will set you back over $2,000. If speed is your top priority and you have the budget, the FS6706T is worth every penny. If you're a small business owner, you need a NAS that's fast, reliable, and future-proof. That's exactly what the Asustor LockerStore 2 Gen 2 delivers. With multi-gig LAN ports, 4 M.2 slots for SSD caching, and high-speed USB ports, this NAS is built for performance. It's also highly expandable, letting you add storage as your business grows. Another huge plus? The Asustor Data Manager software makes storage management effortless. With over 340 apps available for security, productivity, and media streaming, you're getting a NAS that does more than just store data. If you need a high-performance NAS for business or home office use, this one's a no-brainer. If you're looking for cutting-edge NAS storage, the terramaster F8 SSD Plus is an absolute beast. With 8 M.2 NVMe SSD bays, this NAS delivers whisper-quiet operation, ultra-fast file transfers, and a sleek, compact design. It's ideal for home power users or businesses that need a high-speed, scalable storage solution. However, it's expensive, and by the time you fully populate it, you're looking at a hefty investment. But if you need top-tier performance, the F8 SSD Plus won't disappoint. When it comes to scalability, the Synology Disk Station DS1522 Plus is king. It features 5 drive bays, expandable to 15 with an add-on unit, NVMe SSD caching, and an optional 10 gigabits per second LAN adapter for high-speed connectivity. If you're a small business or power user looking for a long-term NAS solution that can grow with you, this is one of the best investments you can make. Blazing fast speeds? Check. High-performance AMD Ryzen CPU? Check. 4 multi-gig LAN ports and 5 high-speed USB ports? Double check. The Asustor Locker Store 4 Gen 3 is built for businesses and advanced users who need top-tier performance with maximum connectivity options. If you're handling large data transfers, running a Plex server, or backing up multiple systems, this NAS is an absolute beast. And now, we've reached our #1 pick, the absolute best NAS device of 2025, the Asustor AS5402T. This powerhouse is packed with cutting-edge technology to handle even the most demanding workloads. It features 4 M.2 SSD slots, allowing for ultra-fast caching and storage expansion, ensuring blazing fast read and write speeds. Whether you're a content creator, a business professional, or a tech enthusiast, this NAS is built to streamline your workflow and maximize efficiency. With 4K video transcoding, you can seamlessly stream high-resolution media across multiple devices without buffering. Plus, link aggregation support gives you even faster network speeds, making it perfect for video editors, photographers, and small businesses that need high-performance, reliable storage. If you're looking for the ultimate NAS solution, one that offers speed, versatility, and top-tier features, the Asustor AS5402T is the undisputed champion of 2025 blastoff. So, which NAS device is the perfect fit for you? Whether you need a budget-friendly home setup, a high-speed SSD monster, or an expandable business solution, we've covered the best of the best. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell us which NAS device you'd choose. Or, if you have any questions, we're here to help. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us bring you more top-tier product reviews. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next expert breakdown. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals on these NAS devices. Thanks for watching Consumer Picks. We'll see you in the next video. Blast off!